Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a very easy bean salad. We're going to put in 400 grams of sweet corn, 400 grams of white beans, 400 grams of red kidney beans, 400 grams of chickpeas, half a capsicum that's been diced, half a cup of coriander chopped really finely. For the dressing, we're going to be needing the juice of half a lemon. We're going to put in 8 cloves of garlic that has been made into a paste, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and finally 2 teaspoons of white sugar. We're going to mix it well and add it to the salad. Once the salad has been mixed well, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. This is completely optional, but I just prefer the taste of it. And that's it, you're done. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.